Absolutely, I have friends, but before, when I was doing social research for 4 years, for 2013 to 2016, I used to have a lot of social friends. And then when I started the VSHR, I completely put all my social time to this non-profit organization who become today VSHR. Do I still have friends? Yes, I lost a lot of friends because I don't have time to hang out with them, but I still have some of the friends who really care about me. And you know what? When it comes to the friendships, I don't need hundreds, thousands of friends. I just need the friends who care about me, to who I can care about me, and I also care about them as well. But there is one of the core thing here is also very important. It's the second thing is I never want to have a small circle of myself. I don't never wanted to have a kids and a wife, a people of 4. I don't want to have a family of 4. I want to scale my family to hundreds, thousands, millions of people, so I can help them, I can inspire them, I can guide them, I can feel good about them, so they can also feel good about me. Maybe they will help me as well too. So that's exactly you are. You're like one of my family member right now. I love you as much as I love you as one of my family member. If you have something wrong with you, and if I can help you, I will be the first person going to be there and help you with that. So every member you see in VSHR, we call it is VSHR Life and Family. Every member of VSHR is like my family member. I love them as my family member. So you ask me my friends, I don't have friends, but I have a big family. And family is always better than friends. You know it, right? Family is more closer. They love you, they care about you. I also care about them, I love them, and that makes the life amazing. That's called VSHR Life. It's a different way of living. Just go hanging out. I mean, Monday to Friday, everybody we work, but at the weekend, we spend time with our family members, VSHR members. You saw yesterday. Today, you're going to see more as well. There's a mentor coming in, talking, sharing, caring, loving. We love all of you guys. I love all the members of VSHR, like my family member. So, never run out of loves, never run out of care, never run out of friends. We have families. That's how it works. So when I feel sad, I go share my family members, VSHR members. And I think there are a few things very important. Our life is too short to be sad. Our life is really short. It's just like 60 years, 70 years. We don't live more than that. So our life is too short to be sad. So why we are wasting our life for being sad, addict, depressed? Just stay positive and look forward and move forward and enjoy the journey. It's just a journey of 60 years. So should be our most important focus, how we can be happy. So most of the people ask me, why do you VSHR? Do you want to be famous? Do you want to earn a lot of money? No, I don't want to be famous. I'm already famous being my career. A lot of people in our industry, in IT, what I do, everybody know, and they're all well known there. So do I earn a lot of money? No. What I have earned already in my life is enough. I did enough. My family has a pretty wealthy family. I'm born in a pretty wealthy family too. It's fine. So why do this one? Because it makes me happy. Everything I do in VSHR and with you, other members, scholars, staff, workshop, talking, sharing,